Luxury took on a whole new meaning in 1967, when Chrysler introduced the Imperial Crown Mobile Director, concept so bold it merged business class sophistication with American automotive excess. Designed not just as a car, but as a mobile office, the Mobile Director was based on the 1967 Imperial Crown Coupe, already one of the most prestigious luxury vehicles of its era. Under the hood, it was powered by Chrysler's massive 440 cubic inch, 7.2-liter V8 engine, producing 350 horsepower and 480 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with the rugged TorqueFlite 3-speed automatic transmission, the car offered a smooth, confident ride, further supported by Chrysler's renowned torsion bar suspension that gave it unmatched road presence and stability. For such a large vehicle, what truly set the Mobile Director apart wasn't just power, it was purpose. The rear cabin was transformed into a fully functional executive suite, complete with a swiveling passenger seat, a fold-out writing desk, an adjustable reading lamp, and even space to store paperwork and briefcases. Unlike typical luxury vehicles of the time that focused on comfort alone, the Mobile Director envisioned a future where business could seamlessly travel with you. In comparison, contemporaries like the Cadillac Fleetwood and Lincoln Continental focused on opulence and ride quality, but they didn't challenge the traditional format the way Chrysler dared to. The Mobile Director broke the mold. It wasn't just a car for the rich, but for the working elite, presenting a bold idea that the automobile could serve as both transportation and productivity hub. Historically, the Imperial brand represented Chrysler's ambition to compete directly with Cadillac and Lincoln in the upper echelons of American luxury. The Mobile Director was part of a limited series meant to showcase what was possible when design innovation met executive needs. Although only a handful were ever produced, its rarity and daring concept earned it a place in the pantheon of automotive curiosities. It's a car that today serves as a time capsule of an era when American cars were statements of identity and purpose. Looking ahead, the core idea behind the Mobile Director feels more relevant than ever. With the rise of autonomous driving and in-car connectivity, the notion of a rolling office is no longer science fiction. In fact, modern EV makers are exploring similar concepts with lounge seating, fold-out tables, and immersive infotainment environments. The 1967 Imperial Crown Mobile Director may have been too ahead of its time, but its vision planted a seed that's only now beginning to bloom, where mobility and productivity travel hand in hand.